Everyone talks about the Pomodoro Technique.
25 minutes of focus. 5-minute break. Repeat. It's supposed to be the ultimate productivity hack. But here's the truth. It doesn't work. At least, not for deep learning. Let me explain why, and show you what actually works better.
The Pomodoro Technique says, work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. The idea is, your brain stays fresh.
You don't burn out. Sounds great, right? Wrong. Here's the problem.
Your brain needs 15 to 20 minutes just to enter deep focus.
That's called the flow state.
You know that feeling when you're so focused, time disappears?
That's flow. And it takes time to get there.
With Pomodoro, you work for 25 minutes. But you only spend the last 5 to 10 minutes in actual deep focus. Then, boom, timer goes off.
Break time. You leave flow state. Now you have to start over. Another 15 to 20 minutes to get back into flow.
You're spending more time trying to focus than actually being focused.
That's inefficient.
So, what works better?
I call it the 90-20 method. Work for 90 minutes straight. No breaks. No interruptions.
Just pure focus.
Then, take a 20-minute break. Longer work session. Longer break. Here's why this destroys Pomodoro. Reason 1. You spend 15 to 20 minutes entering flow state. Then you have 70 minutes of deep focus. That's where real learning happens. Not in the first 25 minutes. In the deep, uninterrupted 70 minutes. That's when your brain processes complex information. Solves hard problems. Understands difficult concepts.
Reason 2.
90 minutes matches your brain's natural rhythm. Your brain has something called ultradian rhythms. These are 90-minute cycles of high alertness. Your brain is naturally wired to focus deeply for 90 minutes, then rest.
Pomodoro fights this rhythm. 90-20 works with your biology.
Reason 3. The 20-minute break is long enough to actually rest. 5 minutes? That's nothing. You check your phone. You grab water.
Timer goes off.
Back to work. Your brain didn't rest. With 20 minutes, you can take a real break. Walk outside. Stretch.
Eat something.
Come back refreshed. Now, I know what you're thinking. 90 minutes is too long. I can't focus that long. And you're right. At first, you can't. Your brain isn't trained. But here's the secret. Start with 30 minutes. No break. Just 30 minutes of deep focus. Do that for 3 days. Then increase to 45 minutes. 3 more days. Then 60. Then 90. You're training your focus muscle. It gets stronger over time. And here's what happens. After 2 weeks of 90-20, you'll realize something. Those 90 minutes feel shorter than 25 minutes used to.
Why?
Because you're in flow state. Time disappears. You're not watching the clock. You're learning. Compare the two.
Pomodoro.
4 25-minute sessions in 2 hours.
Total deep focus time?
Maybe 40 minutes. The rest is entering and exiting flow. 90-20. 1 90-minute session.
Total deep focus time?
70 minutes. Almost double the deep work. Same 2 hours. Way more learning.
So, should everyone abandon Pomodoro?
Not necessarily.
If you're doing shallow work, emails, admin tasks, Pomodoro is fine. But for deep learning? For understanding complex topics? For solving hard problems?
90-20 wins. Every time. Try it for 1 week. Just one. Set a timer for 90 minutes. Study one subject. No breaks. No phone. No interruptions.
After 90 minutes, take 20 minutes off.
Do this once a day. Track how much you learn.
Compare it to your old Pomodoro sessions.
I bet you'll be shocked. Comment below.
Are you Team Pomodoro or Team 90-20? Or do you have your own method?
Let's discuss.
And subscribe to Learn Fast AI Academy.
We test productivity methods so you know what actually works. See you next video.